AmiPay platform is highly flexible and is built to maximize utility. AME token. AmiPay uses the AME token, which is developed using the Ethereum-based ERC20 protocol. This token functions as the primary medium of payment settlement and fund transfers on platform. It also plays a critical role in AmiPay's incentive program that enables users to earn rewards on every transaction. Primary mode of payment on AmiPay. First, transaction processing, cross-border transaction incentive program, crypto to crypto and crypto to fiat functionality. Scalable architecture allowing exploration of future use cases. Hello guys, today I am ready to discuss about AmiPay token sale. You know, AME ICO token sale is live. ICO sale ends on 31st October. 50% bonus ending soon. Hurry up! Phase 1 with 100% bonus has ended with sale of 59,000,000 AME. Phase 2 with 75% bonus ends 17% October 2020. Phase 3 with 50% bonus ends 24th October 2020. Phase 4 with 25% bonus ends 31st October 2020. Acceptable currencies BTC, ETH, XRP, USD and Fiat. Minimum purchase 3000 AME tokens. Number of tokens for sale in ICO 450,000,000 AME 30%. Soft cap 75,000,000 AME. Hard cap 300,000,000 AME. Current sold 62,500,000 AME. How can you register? Here you have to register to buy token. Name, here your name. Here put your email address and make strong password. Then confirm password. Now you have to select your country. Then select tick mark if agree with terms and condition. Okay, now after get email notification, you have to verify registration is completed. I have an account here. Now I will discuss step by step how you can buy token. 1. Choose a payment option like BTC, ETH or XRP to buy your AME token. Specify your value of AME to buy through selected payment type. Scan the QR code or copy the address given below to buy AME through selected cryptocurrency. Please note that the address of BTC or ETH is unique and it can use only for one transaction. Hello guys, AmiPay Bounty is released for 4 weeks from October 2nd, 2020 and will run until October 29th, 2020. 10 million tokens will be distributed after bounty end. So let's go to participate and earn money. Please read the campaign rules before join. Campaign rules. All participants must join the AmiPay Telegram group and Bounty Telegram group. 3. Using multiple accounts, cheating and spamming are not allowed. 4. KYC is not required for the bounty campaign. However, the project team has the rights to require KYC for suspicious cases. 5. The bounty manager and the project team reserve the right to make changes to the condition at any time. DT Trust account not accepted for bounty campaign. 7. All participants must post a proof of authentication to join this bounty. AmiPay is launching an airdrop. It is your opportunity to receive AME tokens for free. In total, we are planning to distribute 20,000,000 AME tokens, and some of them may become yours. To start, visit our Telegram bot at the link and follow the on-screen instruction. Complete simple tasks and receive AME tokens. Ready to start? Click the link. I will provide this link in the description box. Airdrop will end on 30th October 2020 or on token exhaust. Hurry to participate in the airdrop and receive your coins. Now I will introduce about AmiPay Payment Gateway. Merchants can use this offering to digitize their store and begin accepting payments in cryptocurrency. It will support a range of approved crypto and fiat currencies. The POS support is also included here. where AmiPay will deliver POS hardware and software solutions to benefit small and medium-sized businesses. Easy setup, user-friendly interface, customizable overlays, scalable, lot enabled. AmiPay roadmap. 2019 Quarter 3 Announcement of AmiPay project. Finalization of market research. Quarter 4 Development of the platform starts 2020. Quarter 1 Development of AmiPay white paper. AmiPay IEO details developed. Quarter 2 AMA tokens minted on Ethereum blockchain. Quarter 3 AmiPay platform enters beta testing phase. Launch of cloud interface for AmiPay. Quarter 4 Onboarding AmiPay merchants onto AmiPay platform. Establishing partnership with leading business houses. Expanding AmiPay in Asian markets. 2021 Quarter 1 Audits of blockchain and payment network scheduled. Draft strategy to venture into European and African markets. Quarter 2 Building AmiPay's own blockchain. AmiPay platform enters beta testing phase. Multi-cryptocurrency support in AmiPay wallet. Quarter 3 Exchange services in AmiPay platform and wallet. Launch of AmiPay e-commerce platform. AmiPay team. The people behind AmiPay share a combined experience of 8 years in finance, business development and technology. As an end-to-end payments solution provider, our team is qualified and crafts decisions by keeping the end users in mind. Our mission is to deliver phenomenal user experience and unparalleled utility through our many products and services. The AmiPay team is dedicated to offering a decentralized and global cryptocurrency-based solution that aligns with the digital lifestyle of our esteemed customers.